guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is a Dollar Tree haul. I found some more fall, Halloween, and a few Christmas items. I can't wait. I'm looking for the little wood cutouts that are like ornaments. I hope I can find them, okay? And my sidekick is right back there. There's Maggie, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into this Dollar Tree haul for 2021. Look at this. Hello, October. Is this not so high-end looking? I love the faux grain, wood grain right here. I love that font. And those pumpkins, well, they're just to die for. Love them. And then the side, you get this check. I mean, I wouldn't even touch this. It's so pretty, okay? Then we have Harvest Wishes with the little truck here. And it's filled with pumpkins and sunflowers. It's so pretty. And I love that we have two different fonts here. And then look at that beautiful faux wood grain. Love it. Okay, then here's pumpkin spice and everything nice. Look at that pumpkin with that spice right there. Like the cinnamon or whatever. I love that you've got that beautiful like script writing. It is just adorable. And then look at that plaid. So pretty. And Maggie is seeing the neighbor and she's just not having it for some reason today. I think this is my favorite. I love fall most of all. Look at that. That just looks very delicate, expensive. I love those leaves right there and that font. And then look at that gorgeous faux wood grain again. So I picked up all four of these that I could find. I just think these are beautiful, okay? So I hope you're able to find these. Then I had never seen this in my Dollar Tree, these 2 tin containers, and they have stars on each end. I thought that was very unusual. So I picked up 2 of these. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them, but I have them, okay? Then I went ahead and picked up another one of these for a DIY because I decided that I needed more than I have, but I think it's really cute. And then I picked up this wire pumpkin wreath form. Now, I don't know if I'll be using it this year or not, but it is really large and very pretty. And then I was hoping I'd be able to find the foxes again so I could have 3, and I did. So I picked up this adorable little fox. Now I have 3. You should always get sets of 3 if you can. But at Dollar Tree, it's hard to find it, okay? Then I found these little cookie cutters for Halloween. It has the pumpkin, the bat, and the cat. And you can do a lot with this. It doesn't have to be just to make cookies. Now, I don't think they're very good quality, but they would probably cut through some dough, all right? Then I found this really pretty brown ribbon. So I picked this up. All right, and then look at this. These little stickers that I found, all about food. You might know it would be food, okay? But the pretzel, the French fries, that looks like a Big Mac sort of. A strawberry hot dog. That's one thing I don't really like. I don't like hot dogs, okay? Pizza, ice cream, cherries, and love. Look at that. That is so cute. So I picked that up. Now, these are new. I had never seen them in my Dollar Tree. These are like a metal sign, and this says family. Okay. And then this one says welcome. I had never seen those before. And then this is a cross. I thought that would be so pretty. All right. And then what else? Okay. Oh, I found these stickers. I've had these before in the past, but I believe I used them. So I picked up some new ones. So pretty with that little jug and all those beautiful flowers. Then I did get a dog sticker. I wish they'd had Maggie on there, but they didn't. But that is really cute. They look so happy and sweet. So I picked that up. Then, oh, another metal sign, thankful. They also had thankful. I picked up one of each that I could find. And then, let's see. Then look at these window clings, okay? This is really cute. It just has a bunch of different ones. Pumpkin, so stuffed. Just look at all that. Fall. But I thought you could do so much with these. So I picked that up. Loved it. Then look at this. Look at the little truck. Hello Fall with all those beautiful little things. And I love that truck with the pumpkins. I think that is adorable. And then I've already shown you one like this. I have two of these. And I picked up another one of these because I loved it so much. And then here's this. This is just cute with the bear, the fox, the deer, and the squirrel, and that turkey, and the raccoon. They're so cute. That bear cracks me up with his glasses, okay? And then get stuff, give thanks. Look at that. All about Thanksgiving. You can really make a lot of things with this. Love them, okay? And then I picked up one more of these. Home and pumpkin spice with that little coffee like. Ugh, and the candle. Love it. Okay, then I picked up one of these for our candy taste test. I think Melvin may start off with this like ninja mask if he can get it to fit his face because it's made for children. He usually works on it to get it to fit because he loves this. Okay, and I picked up these little cute decorative banners. Look at that pumpkin, that little jack-o'-lantern, and then look at him back here. He's winking. I thought these would be cute. All right, and then I have some more of that creepy cloth, the cream, and then the black. Okay. And then I thought these little ghost banners were just so cute. It has ghosts and jack-o'-lanterns. So I picked that up. And then I picked me up some of this Crafter Square blue paint for a DIY. I've never tried their paint before, so I'm anxious to see if I like it. And then I'm holding Christmas to last. Then we found this Beware Go Back sign. We might put this up for the candy taste test because it could be deadly to your health. Okay, now I found some more candy. The Fruit Chews, the Tootsie Fruit Chews. They're in all these different flavors. So I'm looking forward to that. I think I'll probably like that. And then these googly eyes, we're going to try these again. Pretty sure we had them once before. Now I know we have these because these Pumpkin Pals are delicious. If you can get them, I highly recommend them. And now this, Sour Bears and Worms. I don't know what I'll think about that, but it'll be fun seeing what we think about it. And then here's some Kool-Aid Ghoul-Aid popping candy. This is in the Scary Berry. I thought that would be fun. And then Pop Rocks 3-pack popping candy assorted flavor. Looks like it's watermelon, strawberry, and pineapple. So we're going to try that. And then these, Melvin found these. Sour boogers. I hate to even say that. That's so sickening. But we're going to try those. And then Nerds Candy Corn. We're going to try those. So I think that will be fun. Okay, let's go to the Christmas that I found so far. Look at this. Is this not adorable? With the sleigh, the penguin Santa, and the polar bear. Then these little snow globes were adorable with the little snowman in them. Love them. You can do much more than just put them on your windows, okay? And then here's another take on the little snow globes. This one is my favorite. Lazy Christmas. All right, then look at this beautiful bag that I found. Is that not gorgeous with Santa and the polar bear on skis? It says Merry Christmas. And look at that side. That is gorgeous. Then I found this one with Santa and the reindeer and the tree in that red car. Love that with the snow. And look at the side of that. That I love. And then Jingle Bells with these penguins. I thought that was really cute. It's the whole little family with the candy cane. I love that. And then this one has that beautiful plaid on the inside. So that's everything that I found at the Dollar Tree for this week. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So you're getting 2 videos today. You are getting this Dollar Tree haul, and then you're going to get a planner using Dollar Tree stickers, okay, and maybe washi. And then Friday, we start our DIYs. Who's excited? I am. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. Say, I was just in my little bed chewing on my bone. And say, I'm looking out the bay window to see if there's any potential victims that I can get. Yes. Say hi. Say hello. Say, I love you. Yes, you love your friends, don't you, Maggie? So, until next time, bye guys.